Today you are going to create a healthy lunch for the cafeteria to use. You'll need this paper with your name at the top. You'll also need crayons. Pause and make sure you have your materials. Let's get started down here in this box. You'll need to draw and label one entree. Here are some ideas for you. Look at all of those choices. Which one do you want to pick that would be a healthy choice? Cheeseburger? Grilled chicken? Hot dog? Fried chicken? Chicken wrap? Lettuce wraps? Pizza? Grilled fish? Pick one that you think is healthy. Draw it here and then spell the word down here. Pause the video so you can copy how to spell the word. Next, we're going to put two sides on this part of your lunch tray. Let's look at your options. There's a lot of choices here. Which two sides do you like best that would be healthy? Carrots, green beans, hot dog mac and cheese, broccoli, onion rings, corn on the cob, French fries. With your pencil and crayons, I want you to draw two sides on this part of your tray, and then you're going to spell the words down here telling us what you drew. Pause on this slide so you know how to copy and spell the words correctly. Next, we need one drink to go on our lunch tray. What would be a healthy drink you could have? Kool-Aid, soda, slushy, milk, or water? Draw one drink, and then you're going to spell the word right here on the line. Go ahead and pause the video and do that now. Next, let's think of one snack you want to put on your lunch tray. Here are some ideas. Which one would be a healthy snack? Chips, donut, cookie, candy, apple, banana. Go ahead and draw one snack and then write the word telling us what you drew. Pause the video so that you can see how to spell the word. Last, we have been learning about different kinds of money and currency. Think about how much your lunch should cost. My lunch will cost how many dollars? Write the number of how much you think your lunch will cost.